Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this BMW Z4. This is a fantastic car that comes with a retractable roof, 19-inch alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors. Inside the car you've got leather interior with heated front seats. The radio has CD player and Bluetooth, but you also get dual zone air conditioning and automatic headlights. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 2-litre diesel engine. It gives you 184 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox. The car's done under 50,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Car Place in Yeovil. Thank you.